Are you looking to boost sales and engage more customers on your Shopify store in 2025? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up discount step by step. Quick, easy, and effective. Let's dive in. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. From there, head over to My Store, your Shopify homepage, and click on Settings in the sidebar. This is your control center for everything related to your store. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels. Here, you can manage all the tools that enhance your store's functionality. Click on Shopify App Store to explore apps that can take your store to the next level. In the App Store, type pop-up into the search bar. You'll see a range of options, but today we're using PopConvert. Pop-ups and banners. Click on it, then hit install and follow the prompts to authorize the app once installed. Go back to your Shopify admin and open PopConvert. Inside the app, start by exploring templates. Pick a design that fits your brand. Remember, a visually appealing pop-up can really grab attention. Click Use Template and begin customizing. You can adjust background colors, text, titles, and even upload a unique image to match your store's aesthetic. Next, head to Conversion Settings. This is where you craft the messages your visitors will see. Make them clear, persuasive, and engaging. In the Content section, you can also tweak forms and placeholders to ensure your pop-up interacts seamlessly with your audience. Don't forget the behavior settings. Decide when your pop-up should appear immediately, after a few seconds, or even after several days. Test different timings to see what works best for your visitors. Finally, name your campaign for easy tracking. Hit save and preview your pop-up to make sure everything looks perfect. And that's it. You've successfully set up a pop-up discount on your Shopify store. Keep experimenting with designs, messages, and timing to find the most effective setup for your audience. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more step-by-step Shopify guides to grow your store in 2025.